Well, welcome to Saturday, March 21st, 2026. It is 20 degrees above zero. Beautiful sunshine all day. Unfortunately, we have a 15 to 25 mile an hour wind, creating a wind chill that is rather brutal. Right now, I'm out at the moment taking care of chores. We're trying to get propane bottles together, trash together, gas and fuel oil cans together to make one final run for supplies. We will check things out tomorrow and just see how they go. Well, welcome to Monday. It's rather nice out here today. 0 degrees, but unfortunately the humidity is 50% or better, making it a little on the chilly side. And over the last few days we've had very high winds, which means I've got to get on this machine right here and go out and groom some trail. So come on and ride along with me. We call the mail trail or the bolding trail. This is the trail that goes to Manly and the post office. And what I just did was 3 miles of, well, you saw there was one spot that I didn't get on video that I'll try to show on the way back. It was pretty bad. this thing will tip over. Well, welcome to Tuesday and supply run day. Michelle and I have been out pretty much all morning trying to get things halfway put together. We are going to head out in just a few moments. Hopefully, if all has gone well, our neighbor Andrew went out. He had to do a supply run as well, and we think he groomed the trail on his way out. We're going to find out in just a little bit. Well, we've made it to the mail trail, which took us a little bit of doing. Thank goodness our neighbor had groomed our meadow trail and did improve it a little bit, but still, it was super slow. Don't worry, we were okay. I had forgotten about all the weight I had on the back of this machine. And we kind of went airborne when I punched it, but the front came down and we were fine.
Two, right?
Yep.
I'm leaving most of the stakes, but they left some like in the woods. So I'm just getting the ones that are... I need to... Right over there. Yeah. Yeah. I need to practice that, but I don't want to practice all by myself.
This is a fine how do you do as we waste away the day. We are at the post office trading post, and Michelle's truck is sitting there. We got it ready. We thought we had mail and we didn't. So I am really late getting started back, but I'm loaded down with fuel. A few items in here and in front of the fuel. Now, to get myself back home. Well, due to the high winds, this is what I'm probably going to be dealing with all the way home. High banked on the left and nice deep ski rut on the right, which tips this Skidoo Scandic to a fall over on its side level. And it wouldn't be so bad if it was not for the very heavy load I have in this sled behind me. That's putting a lot of drag on this machine. Well, I did make it home, thank goodness. That was quite the adventure. Got Michelle off to Fairbanks to do the supply run, and it took me approximately 4 hours to get back here, going very slow, due to the fact that it's very hard for me to stand on this machine due to the fact that I have a blown meniscus in my left knee, and the surgery for that was to have been in January. That didn't happen, so I'm dealing right now with a brace and the fact that I can't pin my leg at the knee, but I'm still able to ride and I can stand for short periods. So anyway, hopefully here in a few days I'll be meeting up with Michelle again, and we'll be loading up the sleds, and we'll keep you posted on that. But in the meantime, if you would, subscribe to the channel. Leave us a comment, share if you would, and above all, like this video. We'll catch you next time right here on Alaska Bush Living.